Nature Coast is a very special area to fish. There's vast creeks, mangrove shorelines, oyster bars hidden around every corner. It's very treacherous, so not the average Joe can fish this area. You have to know your waterways. Having a boat that's going to handle the rigors of this environment is essential to being able to get to most of the spots. But this area is loaded with every fish you can imagine, inshore and offshore. It's definitely a special place, and it is a true last essence of old Florida.
Oh yeah, there he is. Blaine got him a good one.
Beautiful fish, beautiful fish.
You want to ease his head to me? I'll get a good net job on him. There it is. Stud fish.
Oh, nice.
Stud fish. Awesome job, boss. Right. Awesome. Awesome fish.
Awesome fish.
So
we're a blast.
Yes. They tug that hard in Louisiana?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just making sure. I've never been. But we're just over here fishing this creek, and we've seen a couple big wakes getting pushed. Knew there was some fish in that corner. Just caught a smaller one, but Blaine got the big one.
I think we got to work a lot harder than we do to catch a fish like that in Florida.
Well, that's good to hear. We do have a great fishery over here on the Nature Coast. Yeah, we got a lot of bait back here. That push right there, that's redfish. I'm gonna reel out and try to get you closer. Hey Ricky, got one. That's a good one. That's a stud. Ooh, that's a stud. I'm gonna go ahead and bring his head to you. And we just wanna get it swift net job, because I don't know how frayed this leader's gonna be. All right, just get his head right in there. Perfect. Money. That's awesome. That guy looks slop to me. We'll find out if he eats real soon. Oh yeah, that's real good. Great fish. I was literally just about to change our tactics too, but I had made a money cast right there on the shadows, right where they had been sitting. I had spooked the previous school. Well, it's been an absolutely beautiful day on the Nature Coast. Finishing off the day with a 3-man limit of redfish and a slot snook in the box. Started the morning out in the creeks. Water was low, and we plucked off a handful of good fish in there. And then as the water started coming in, we moved out to the outer islands where a lot of these fish are stacked up, and hammered them from there. And we're about to go take it on in, clean these fish, and go get us some grub. What do you think about that, Mr. Blaine?
I think it's awesome.
All right, let's get to it. Now for a bevy. Beautiful. Oh, it's called a California release, even though we're in Florida.
A little bit of what you got going on. Got a little puffer fish here. I'm trying to get the hook out of his nose, but he keeps biting down on the hook. He's all mad. He blew himself up. But I can't get the hook. He ate this thing just perfect. I can't get it out of his mouth. I don't want to hurt him. Oh, now he's grunting. Oh, there he goes. All right, dude. Stop biting on it. There we go. He's so full. Oh, poor little guy.
Yeah. And that's on video. We just net a live slot redfish right here on the Nature Coast. Good slot fish too. Right there. Laying on the bottom. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. That's the first.